Hello everyone, it's a new year. Happy New Year. I'm so sorry I've been away for a long while. I've been tired and stressed out and super busy with work. 2020 was so busy. But thank God I'm back. It's a new year. And I just want to encourage everyone to be happy, to rejoice, because God is going to restore us this year. I'm optimistic and I'm positive about that. Isaiah chapter 60 verse 1 says, "Arise, shine out, for your light has come, and the glory of Yahweh has risen on you." So let's be positive, let's be happy. God will grant us our heart desires this year. So we should try our best to forget the past and look at what lies ahead. Give your heart to God. Offer up your pains. Whatever went wrong in your past, offer it up to God. Just try and make a conscious effort not to think of the bad things that have happened to you. And God will make everything new again. For we walk by faith, not by sight. The Lord will restore us. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Love you all.